Hello everyone, welcome back to the course of software engineering. This video is brought to you by Newton's group of institutions. This is Arvind Egireddy from Department of CSE. In this video, I'll be talking about software engineering layered technology. Software engineering. Software engineering encompasses a process, methods for managing and engineering softwares and tools. So in order to build the software that is ready to meet the challenges of the 21st century, few simple realities are to be known. Software has become deeply embedded in virtually every aspect of our lives. And as a consequence, the number of people who have an interest in the features and functions provided by a specific application has grown dynamically. And software change is inevitable. New requirements emerge when software is used. The business environment changes. Errors must be repaired. New computers and equipment is added to the system. The performance and reliability of the systems may have to be improved. So, a key problem for all organizations is implementing and managing changes to their existing software system. And organizations have huge investments in their software system, so they are the critical business assets. And to maintain the value of these assets to the business, they must be changed and they need to be updated. So the majority of the software budget in large companies is devoted to changing and evolving existing software rather than developing the new software. So there is a growing need for the talented software developers across every industry. So as technology advances, the ability to build quality software while considering design, development, security, and maintenance is sought after almost all kinds of companies, from finance and banking to healthcare and national security. Software engineering applies the knowledge and theoretical understanding gained through computer science to build high quality software products. Now coming to the definition of software engineering, the IEEE has developed a more comprehensive definition when it states software engineering, the application of a systematic, disciplined, quantified approach to the development, operations and maintenance of the software. That is the application of engineering to software. And the study of approach as in software engineering is a detailed study of engineering to design, development and maintenance of the software. Here, software engineering was introduced to address the issues of low quality software projects. Here, I mean the low quality, that is when there occurs problems. So these problems arises when a software generally exceeds the timelines, budgets and reduced level of quality. Now, coming to the software engineering layered technology, software engineering is a fully layered technology. To develop a software, we need to go from one layer to another. Why? Because while you build any software, you need to overcome the barriers between the hardware and software in such a way that the software can work smoothly and efficiently. Now, if we think we do not have any layered technology to develop the software, then this makes quite difficult to develop any software within the short period of time. Suppose we have to work with hardware level to software level as per the software requirements. And it is difficult to work with all the 7 layers of the OSI model at the same time and make it difficult to work with which protocol and when. So this leads to many complexities while developing the software. So layered technology has its own advantages. Layered development, that is stepwise development, easy to configure systems, error detection can be easy, and maintenance is easy. So as these layers are related to each other and each layer demands the fulfillment of the previous layers, the layer technology consists of quality focus, process model, methods, and tools. Coming to the quality focus, the characteristics of a good quality software are correctness of the functions required to be performed by the software. So when we talk about the quality of the software, there are two types of qualities which the software can ensure. One is functional and the other one is non-functional. So non-functional is also called as structural quality, and which deals with those aspects which are not related between the features and functions. That what we mean by functional. Here functional quality is maintained means the software which we have developed will perform all the required tasks which is supposed to do. So these softwares have all the features which customer needs. So to ensure the quality, there are various techniques in the industry. If we take an example, Six Sigma, total quality management, or similar continuous improvement culture. And it is this culture ultimately leads to the development of increasingly more effective approaches to the software engineering. So we have to understand quality is one of the most important layer to develop the software. So the foundation that supports software engineering is a quality focus. Now coming to the next layer, that is process. So the software engineering process is the glue that holds the technology layers together and enables relational and timely development of computer software. Here process defines a framework that must be established for effective delivery of software engineering technology. Here the software process forms the basis for management control of software projects and establish the context in which the technical methods are applied, work products are produced, milestones are established, quality is ensured, and change is properly managed. So now coming to the methods, here software engineering methods provide the technical aspects of how to build a software. So these methods encompasses a broad array of tasks that include communication, requirement analysis, design modeling, program construction, testing, and support. So software engineering methods rely on the set of modeling activities and other descriptive techniques. So now coming to tools, software engineering tools provide automated or semi-automated support for the process as well as the methods. When these tools are integrated so that the information created by one tool can be used by another. A system for the support of software development called as CASE, that is computer aided software engineering, is established. So out of all these layers, quality is the most important and the other layers are process, method, and tools. That is for today. Thank you all. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest notifications.